Deep Trekker robotics are unique in that they do not require ongoing maintenance. Many robotic vehicles need regular oiling, greasing, nitrogen gas refills, and parts replacements in order to maintain watertight integrity. Magnetically coupled drives on our thruster and wheel assemblies mean that our systems do not require these tedious processes. Magnetism degrades at a rate of 1% every 100 years, meaning our robots are built to last. The only maintenance we recommend is that users rinse their vehicle with fresh water after saltwater dives and ensure that batteries are charged every 3 to 6 months if the vehicle isn't regularly being used. Each Deep Trekker robot comes standard with a 12-month warranty that covers parts, labor, and freight cost. Our technical support team is also available between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time from Monday to Friday, and between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard on Saturdays and Sundays to answer any questions you may have. We also have a thorough manual and extensive video training library to help answer any operational questions and get you more comfortable with your systems. If you do require repair and prefer to refrain from shipping back your vehicle, we can often send you parts and work with you to repair your system over the phone or through a video call service. Every unit comes standard with our 1-year bronze warranty, although this can be upgraded to extend the warranty period, and some packages will actually come with extended warranties built into the sale price.